Welcome to the Powerhouse Ideas. Let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Power of Ideas. First of all, sorry for being late. Actually, I post these videos on every Friday or Saturday, but this time due to some personal occupancy, I was not able to post this video. But as a bonus for being late, I have come up with some more stocks as compared to the previous series. This time, I will be sharing with you 30 swing trading ideas where I think that a probable breakout is going to happen or has already happened. I'll be providing you with the reasons of taking the trade, the stop losses and the targets. But as I request you every time, you're requested to make your own analysis before taking any of the entry because the profit or loss will be reflected in your portfolio in your demat account. The powerhouse ideas or me won't be responsible for any kind of losses or even the profit you take because this is your analysis, your trade, your money. You need to make the analysis on your own. These are just my swing trading ideas which I find out for myself for my personal trading. The reason for sharing with you is so that you can also increase the knowledge and can also identify these kind of stocks on your own and you don't need my guidance or my support in that. But till the time you're not expert in that, till the time you're not capable of doing that on a routine basis and on a consistent basis, till that time I'll be guiding you all through the way to a successful level so that you can also identify these kind of trades on yourself. One more thing, everyone is requested to kindly see this video till the end. I'll be asking you one question out of this video. If you will be able to answer that question in the correct manner while commenting in my comment box of this video, I'll be adding you in my personal Telegram channel wherein we study some of the companies and also share the swing trading ideas on day-to-day basis on live market. So let us start with the video without wasting much of more time. As already explained, I'll be sharing 30 swing trading ideas, but you have to make your own analysis before jumping into any kind of stock. The first stock for today is Abbott India, which is from the pharmaceutical sector. The reason for selecting this stock is, let me go to the weekly time frame first. As you can see that this stock has been in a downtrend from May 2020 till May 2021. That is almost the whole year. This stock has been in a downtrend, which is highlighted by this area. Recently gave a breakout and the volume has been increasing after the breakout. Then who are these people who are buying the stock after this breakout? Because a normal retailer cannot generate this amount of volume. The other thing to see in this stock is, let me show it on a daily time frame. Let me remove this drawing. As you can see on the chart, the pattern being formed over here, short-term uptrend, it was not seen anywhere in this area. So this signifies that the reversal is happening. After the reversal, that is after the breakout of this green trend line, the stock moved up with some increased volume and consolidated in this area. Now again, it has given a breakout of this area, a kind of a breakout of this area with some good volume. So there is every possibility that this stock will be going on the upside from here. Now what should be the stop loss in this case? As you can see, this area has been working as a consolidation. This area below is holding much importance because none of the candles were able to break below this area. So a stop loss below this area will be a safest stop loss and a target of 1:2 can be kept in this trade. In all my trades, swing trades, I keep a stop loss and a target of 1:2. That is, the risk to reward ratio is 1:2 only because this is the discipline which every trader need to follow. So I keep a stop loss of 1:2 in every trade. Till the time the target is not achieved, I don't get out of the trade, or till the time that loss is not achieved, I don't get out of the trade. So this is stock number 1 for today. The next stock is Action Construction Equipment. This is one of my favorite stock. As you can see that this stock has been in an uptrend in a long term. Over here, we can see a small consolidation or a downtrend. This small downtrend was broken over here. A retest was given and the stock again started moving up. This trend line was also broken over here. And this was the all-time high of this chart, which over here found some difficulty in breaking it, but this candle over here broke above this trend line and with some very good volume. So it is said in technical analysis, when a breakout has happened with some good volume, it suggests that the breakout will sustain. So this was the volume which came in this chart at the time of this breakout. After giving a breakout, it spent some more time over the resistance and it has confirmed that this area might work as a support over here. So you can also see in this candle that the last candle which was formed, the volume has again risen. So there are some good people, there are some smart people who are entering into the stock. So an entry can be taken at this area, keeping a stop loss and a risk to reward of 1:2 and a stop loss over here. Now reason for selecting the stop loss over here is because this area was working as a small consolidation and the area below this area holds much importance. You can see it over here that this area was not broken to the downside. So a stop loss below this area will be very safe stop loss. Keeping the volume into the mind, the entry can be taken over here with a risk to reward of 1:2. Also, this stock is a very good, fundamentally good stock. I am having this stock in my portfolio. I have already analyzed this stock in a detailed manner and I have also shared a detailed video in the fundamental analysis checklist available in my YouTube channel. You can see that video and you will be getting every information about this company, the outstanding projects, how to read the financials, the annual report, the sectorial evaluation. Everything will be is covered in that video. I request all of you who are serious investors to kindly go through that video also, because this is one of the very good fundamental stock and has the potential of getting 2 or 3 times from here. So why my investment horizon is 1 to 2 years or 3 years from here, and I'll be getting out of the stock at least after 2-3 times. The stock converts at least 2-3 times. So the decision is on you. You want to take this trade as a swing trade or an investment, that's completely depends upon you, but only after your own analysis. The next stock for today is Affle India. The reason for selecting this stock is that this stock is a fundamentally very good stock. As you can see the long-term trend of this chart, let me show it to you. It was always in an uptrend, and after an uptrend there is a small consolidation over here, which we also saw over here, and similar kind of consolidation was also seen over here. Every time the consolidation has been broken, the stock has touched new highs. So there is every possibility that the correction is almost over. The reason for saying this is, you can see this level over here, the orange level is holding much importance and is not breaking to the downside and is working as a good support area and a good demand area. So there is every possibility that in weeks to come or in the next week itself, we can see a breakout on the upside and this stock can be going to next heights. This can be the first target if you are taking a swing trade, and if you are keeping as an investment advice, you can keep it in your portfolio till the fundamentals of this company does not change. I have personally invested in this company and this is a very good fundamental stock. So stop loss will be below this area because this area is holding importance, and a target of 1:2, but this area should also be kept into consideration. Let us move to the next stock, that is Alkem Laboratories. This stock belongs to the pharmaceutical sector. As you can see, this stock has been in an overall uptrend since the very inception. Recently, let me reset it for you. Recently, this stock was in a short-term downtrend. In my previous video, I suggested this stock over here. After that, this stock has gone a big way. This was the all-time high of this chart, and the stock broke this all-time high after spending some time over here by this candle. If you can see the volume over here, let me go to the weekly time frame. Let me show you something very interesting. The volume has been picking up in this area. In this area, the volume has been picking up after the breakout. After giving a breakout of the all-time high, which is seen in this weekly chart, which was over here, there is a rejection. That is, this signifies some buying is done over here and the volume is also picking up. So this stock can be kept as a swing trade. The stop loss can be below this swing area or this short-term uptrend below this below this trend line, which can be a safer stop loss, and a target of 1:2 can be kept. The next stock for today is Amara Raja Batteries. The reason of selecting this stock is that this stock is a very good fundamental stock which has been in an uptrend, but recently we can see a short-term downtrend in this stock. However, after this short-term downtrend, this stock has again started accumulating or consolidating. But what shall be the perfect entry for the stock? Let me explain you that. If the stock break this trend line, we should not immediately take an entry. We should not immediately take an entry over here because this area has been working as a major support and resistance. Over here it was working as a support, and over here it has been working as a resistance. So break above this area and maybe a retest on a smaller time frame, that is an hourly time frame, the entry can be taken. It is having a very good risk to reward ratio over here. This can be the ultimate target for a swing trade, but you can also keep a target of 1:2. This will be target number 1 and this will be target number 2 for this stock if it breaks above this dotted line. Let us move to the next stock. This is Amber Enterprises, which belongs to the consumable durable section or the sector. This is also in my investment portfolio and this is also a very good fundamental stock. As you can see that this stock has always been in an uptrend. After an uptrend, we can see a short-term downtrend in this stock, which is highlighted by this trend line. Something very interesting to see in this stock is, you can see over here, the stock has been accumulating and the volume has also gradually increased, which was not seen over in this area when the stock was falling. So an entry can be taken after a break of this trend line. This can be the first target because this area is holding much importance, and by this target, by this area also, we will be completing a 1:2. Stop loss can be kept over here because this is an accumulation phase. There are very less chances that the stock will break below this area after giving a breakout to the upside. One more interesting thing which I am seeing just now, let me share that with you. In this candle we can see that there was some big selling over here, but even after the big selling, the stock has not made a new low and the low of this candle has not been broken. So there is some good buying also we can say in this area. So there are chances that this will give a breakout to the upside. Stop loss below this area, first target will be this, and can be kept as an investment also, because I have personally invested and I find this company a very good fundamentally strong company. The next stock for today is Auropharma. This also belongs to the pharma sector. The reason for selecting this stock is the volume. You can see the volume over here, and with this volume we can see a big candle over here. So we can keep a stop loss over here. Alternatively, if I take you to the weekly time frame for a safer entry, you can see that on a weekly time frame this stock has been following a channel pattern. So for a safer entry, we can wait for this stock to cross this area, which will be the horizontal resistance and the trend line resistance as well. A close above this area will be the entry for you, and a stop loss in the middle of the this channel can be the stop loss for you. So this is the next stock for today. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock for today is Cadila. Let me remove the drawings for you and let us move to the daily time frame. As you can see, this stock I have already taken a swing trade. The reason for selecting this stock is that here a triangle pattern was being formed, and after breaking out of the triangle pattern there was a bit consolidation or bit indecision over here, which also worked as a resistance in the recent past. The stock also gave a breakout over here but failed and came down. This time it has again given a breakout, and this time the volume is also increasing. So I've already taken an entry over here with a target of 1:2, keeping the stop loss over here. The reason for keeping the stop loss over here is same, that this area below has been working as a good support. So keeping the stop loss below this support will be an advisable and wise stop loss, and chances of hitting the stop loss are very less. This is a very safe stop loss which anyone can keep. So this is the stock number Cadila for you. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Dr. Reddy. The reason for selecting this stock is this big breakout, which we can see it over here. After this consolidation, it has recently given a breakout on the last trading day with some good volume. The volume can be seen over here. This is also on the all-time high of the chart. This was the all-time high of the chart, which we can see on the daily time frame. So over here, one more interesting thing, we can see, one second. We can see over here the stock couldn't close above this area. Over here also it couldn't close above this area, but this time it has closed above this area. Certainly a close can be seen above this area. So with some good volume, a close can be seen above its all-time high, which was over here. There are chances that this stock will continue its rally to the upside, seeing the big candle, a breakout and some good volume. So for the stop loss, let us reset this chart. Stop loss will be the same, the parameters will be the same. The stop loss below this area, because this was a consolidation phase, there are very less chances that the stock will close below this area if the stock closes below this area on closing basis, that a candle closes below this area and we get a continuation, we should move out of the stock. So this is Dr. Reddy for you. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Eicher Motor, which belongs to the auto sector. This is a very good fundamental stock. I'm holding this stock in my portfolio and I'll be holding this stock for like 2-3 years from now, because we all know that this stock also manufactures bullets, which is giving a great competition to Harley Davidson in India, and it is launching some bikes which are also giving a good competition to Harley Davidson. So the reason for selecting this stock for a short-term swing trade is that over here we can see that there was a short-term downtrend which has recently been broken. This was the next resistance of the stock over here, major resistance of the stock, which can be seen by these two highlighted areas. This has already been broken and the stock came back for a retest. After a retest, it started moving upwards, forming a green bullish candle over here, this one. With the formation of this candle, the volume has also gradually increased. So the increase of the volume signifies that the next target, the minimum target which I can see on the chart, is over here. You can keep the stop loss below this swing low over here, because the reason being the same, that the stock has made a swing low over here. When a stock moves in an uptrend, it means higher high and higher low. So this was the previous low which was created on this chart. A stop loss below this area will be a wise stop loss, because this area was working as a resistance over here and here, and now working as a support. So a stop loss below this support can be a safe stop loss, keeping the first target over here, and also be kept as an investment advice. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock for today is Galaxy Surfactant. As you can see on the screen, this stock has also been in a long-term uptrend. After being in a long-term uptrend, recently there was a small downfall in the stock, But one thing interesting to note over here, over in this candle, this doji candle, you can see the volume has gradually increased. A big volume spike can be seen. After this volume, the stock has not gone to the downside. Even some of the people might say that this is a selling volume because this is in red color. But let me clear one doubt, that when someone is selling, someone is buying the stock. So this volume signifies that some good buying has been done in the stock. So there is every possible chance that this stock will continue its journey to the upside as it was doing in the past. So you can keep a swing trade also in this stock. As in every case, we keep a stop loss below the swing low, because this is a safe area. Chances of breaking this below this area are very less because of this region, the swing low, and also because of this region. So a stop loss over here can be very safe. You can also trade it as a swing trade or also as an investment advice, because this stock also I am having in my portfolio, and I have also gone through the entire fundamentals of this stock. So this is Galaxy Surfactant for you. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock for you today is GNA Axles. This stock also belongs to the auto sector and auto ancillary. As you can see, I already suggested this stock in the previous video as well. This stock was accumulated, consolidating in this yellow area, after which it gave a breakout over here and made a retest. After making a retest, it has again gone up, and this green candle over here, which was formed in the last session, has come up with some good volume. So there is every possibility that this stock will be continue its journey upwards because of this volume and this good candle. For keeping a stop loss, you can keep a stop loss below this area, below this consolidation, because this consolidation holds much importance. No candle has been able to break below this yellow area. So a stop loss over here will be a wise stop loss, or also below this area will also be a wise stop loss. So it depends upon you where you want to keep the stop loss and which feels safe to you. Risk to reward shall be 1:2 only in this case also. This stock also being fundamentally very good stock, you can keep it as an investment or as a swing trade. It entirely depends upon you. I am holding it as an investment. As you must have noticed till now that I already and always cover some of the fundamentally good stock in my video only, because I know that most of the people won't be booking their losses on stop loss being hit. So in the best interest of everyone, I select some of the fundamentally good stocks so that one day or the other they will be coming up. So this is GNA Axles for you. The next stock is Granules. The reason for selecting this stock is, as you can see that the stock was overall in an uptrend. Wait, let me show you. This stock was overall in an uptrend, but over here we can see that there was a consolidation or a short-term downtrend over here by this pattern. Let me show you something very interesting and a good price action over here. As you can see in this area, this is a small uptrend which is shown by this trend line. This kind of uptrend was never seen in this area when the stock was first falling. So there is every reason that this stock will break out of this trend line over here and started moving up. But you can see that this is an important area for the stock to close above, because this has been holding as a resistance and support in the past. So you should not take entry immediately after breakout of this level. You should wait for breakout of this dotted line, a close above this level, and a retest on maybe a smaller time frame, say an hourly time frame, can be a entry point for you. You can also see the volume over here. The volume is also gradually increasing. The trend is changing. This short-term downtrend is also changing by this short-term uptrend. So this is stock Granules India for you. The stop loss can be the same. If you are taking entry over here, you can keep a stop loss over here. And if you are taking entry over here, you should keep a stop loss below this trend line. Let me show you the trend line clearly. You can keep a stop loss below this trend line, not lower than that, because this area is very important. At the max, you can keep the stop loss below this area, but not below that. So next stock for today is SDFC AMC. This stock I already recommended in the past video as well. The time I recommended it earlier, the stock was over here when it was about to give a breakout. On the very next day, it gave a breakout but formed a doji pattern, and after spending some time for 2 days, it had started moving upwards. Now again we can see that the stock is consolidating in this area, this small area, but the volume is also increasing in this area. So there every possible chance that this stock will be moving upwards, because stock has given a breakout of this short-term downtrend, spent some time over here, and will be breaking out. If we want to take a perfect entry into this, it can be a breakout of this area. I don't know what happens to my pencil. How does it get fixed? It can be a breakout of this area on close on daily candle. This can be an entry for you. The first target will be this, and you can trail the target. You can trail the stop loss. The risk to reward will be the same. The stop loss will be below this area, that is below this accumulation, because it will be very safe, and the reason remain the same. First target will be this, and you can target for 1:2 in this. The next stock for today is Hindustan Unilever. This stock I am taking as a swing trade in some anticipation as per my previous experience. As you can see, a triangle form kind of pattern was being formed over here, and also a U-shape recovery can be seen over here. So I have an anticipation that this U-shape recovery will taking this stock till this area, and this area might be working as a resistance over here, because it has been working as a resistance in the past as well. So you can take this stock over here on the breakout if it happens above this green trend line. The stop loss can be below this area. The reason is because this trend line has been working as a support. So keeping a stop loss below the support is the safest stop loss for you. The target and risk to reward will be 1:2. And you should also always consider position sizing, because if you see that the stop loss is around, if we take an entry over here and keep a stop loss over here, the stop loss is around 79 rupees. If you are willing to take a risk of say 790 rupees, then you should only take 10 stocks in this. You should limit your losses first and then set your targets. So this is stock Hindustan Unilever for you. The next stock for today is Jindal Steels. The reason for selecting this stock, let me clear you. Once the stop loss has been hit on this stock for me, this is one of the stop loss which got hit. Let me clear this for you. Yeah. Now again, why I am recommending this stock is, as you can see that I recommended this stock earlier over here. I personally took this entry and it hit my stop loss over here. I got exited of this stock. But here again, it has created a consolidation, and this consolidation has been given a breakout by this candle with increase in volume. So you can take an entry over here, stop loss below this area, reason being the same. This can be the first target for you, and you can trail the target, trail the stop losses with a risk to reward of 1:2 in this stock as well. The reason is this breakout and this volume over here, stop loss already informed. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock is JSW Steel. This also belongs to the metal sector. The reason for selecting this stock is that this stock has been in an overall uptrend, and in this area there was a big bullish movement over here. After this big bullish movement, the stock has been consolidating a while over here and is kind of giving a U-shaped recovery. Over this candle, we can see that the volume has also picked up. So it is also kind of breakout already done over here. So the entry can be taken at this area, keeping a risk to reward of 1:2, stop loss below this area, because this consolidation will be working as a good area as a stop loss, and this support, there is a support over here. So keeping a stop loss below this support will be a wise stop loss and risk to reward of 1:2. Now let us move to the next stock, that is Likhita. This stock I'm already having in my portfolio and is a very good fundamental stock. The reason for selecting this stock are two in this case. One, that this is a very good fundamental stock. I'm already having it in my portfolio. For this stock also, I have made a detailed video covering everything about this company in my video. If you want to see it, kindly go to the fundamental analysis playlist of my channel. The reason for selecting it as a swing trade is this big volume and this big candle over here. The volume which we are seeing over here is this the all-time high volume, as this volume was never seen in this stock since it was listed on stock exchange. So this is the highest volume, which means some good people are entering into this stock. So what we have to do is we have to ride on their back and take a trade in their direction, which they are showing us. So this volume and this big candle suggest us that we can take a trade. You can take this trade as a swing trade or an investment advice, that entirely depends upon you. One thing to add over here is that this is a big candle which is seen over here, which was approximately 14.38%. So some of the traders who already got into this area might be booking their profits over here. So on Monday, we can see that this stock may retrace a little bit or can form an indecision candle. But these are just assumptions, anything can happen. But as per the experience, I think that some profit booking will come and the stock might give some time or take some time for moving upwards again. So you can take the decision as per you, but seeing the volume, it's seen that this can be a very good swing trade. Let us move to the next stock, that is Mphasis. This stock I've already covered in the previous videos as well. As you can see that this stock was moving in a channel over here, and in this area it started making a short-term uptrend which was not seen anywhere before. This uptrend over here has given a breakout on the upside. After giving a breakout, it gave a beautiful retest of this trend line. After giving a retest, it has started moving up, and suddenly the volume has also started rising. So this volume and breakout suggests that the stock will continue moving upwards. For keeping a stop loss, we can keep a stop loss below this trend line, because a close below this trend line will change the trend of the stock and we should move out of this stock. For other safe stop loss, if you are taking this stock as an investment, you can take the stop loss over here, because this was the channel being formed over here. So a close below this channel will entirely change the trend of the stock. So you can keep a risk to reward ratio of 1:2 in this case as well. The next stock for today is OFSS. The reason for selecting this stock is that you can see that overall this stock has been in an uptrend. Over here we can see that a big volume spike can be seen over here and a big green candle can be seen over here. This area over here has been working as a support. If you take an entry over here, keeping the stop loss below this area, which is below this support, this will be a safe stop loss. You can take an entry with 1:2, keeping a target of 2 times then the loss. This will be the loss area which would be bare if it hits your stop loss, and the target will be 1:2 in this case as well. The next stock for today is Reliance. This is the giant of the market. Let me take you to the weekly time frame for this. There is something interesting I want to show you. As you can see on the weekly time frame, let me clear everything over here. Yeah, as you can see on the weekly time frame, it has formed a kind of a double bottom over here, and in this area when the stock has started moving up, the volume is gradually increasing. So there are chances that we can see a new all-time high over here because of this increasing in price and increase in volume, and this double bottom or a W pattern being formed over here. So there can be two entries for this. You can take an entry over here immediately and also keep it as an investment or a swing trade, keeping the stop loss below this area in case of swing trade, because this area has been working as a support. So keeping a stop loss below this support will be advisable and will be a wise stop loss. Alternatively, you can also take a entry after this break of this area, because this is the all-time high of the stock. A break above this area and a retest on hourly or daily time frame can be the entry for you. So this is Reliance for you. Let us move to the next stock. The next stock is Steel Authorities of India Limited. The reason for selecting this stock is simple and is in front of you. As you can see that this stock was in a big bull trend over here in this area. A parabolic move can be seen which didn't see a U-turn, but recently it has started falling and created a consolidation in this area. A kind of U-shaped recovery can be seen over here. So this area has been working as a support. So a stop loss below this area, target of 1:2 can be taken. You can also see the volume below, which already signifies that some of the good players are entered into this stock. So this can be a good swing trading idea for you. The next stock for today is SKF India. SKF India, I need to explain it to you on the weekly time frame. As you can see on the weekly time frame, this stock has always been in an uptrend. This was the Corona period, which we can see a fall over here. And now the stock has recovered from the Corona levels and has started moving for a new high. It has already created a new high over here. So on the previous week candle, it has given a breakout with some decent volume. This volume and this candle suggests that a new high will be created and the stock will be moving to the upside direction. We can see a breakout of this area which was not able to break in these two resistance. Now a breakout can be seen, but there is a doji pattern. So there are chances that the stock might retest, or we can see a red candle over here and then a continuation. So if we see a green candle, then also an entry can be taken, or a red candle followed by a green candle and can also be a entry confirmation for us. For the stop loss, it is very clear that we need to keep a stop loss below this support area, because a stop loss below this support area will be very safe. So one is this horizontal support which is over here, and the second is this trend line support. So keeping a stop loss will be very safe because this will be below this horizontal support and also the trend line support. A close below this area will be changing the trend. So it is advisable to move out of the stock after that if you are taking it as a trade. The target will remain same, that is 1:2. The next stock for today is SRT Transport, which belongs to the Shriram Transport. Let me clear this drawings for you. Yeah, I already suggested this stock in the previous videos as well. You can see a small consolidation over here, but over here the stock, let me clear it once, it's quite messy. We can see a small consolidation over here, but what we can see is that once it touched the resistance, it immediately followed in the past. Again it touched the resistance, it immediately followed, but this time it is hugging this resistance, and this kind of pattern signifies that now this time it is interested in breaking this resistance. So if we see a breakout of this resistance of this dotted line, then we should wait for a retest on hourly time frame, and a green candle close on hourly time frame in our favor shall be the entry for you, keeping the stop loss below this area, because this area has been working as a support. So keeping a stop loss below the support will be an advisable stop loss and will be a safe stop loss. Alternatively, you can also keep a stop loss over here and a target of 1:2 accordingly, because this area has also been working as a good support over here. Let us move to the next stock, which is Supreme Industries. Supreme Industries is one of the fundamentally good stock which I am planning to take into my portfolio. I haven't taken it yet, but after this breakout happens, I will be holding it as a portfolio stock and not as a swing trade. But if you want to take a swing trade in this stock, you can take a swing trade after break of this area. Why I am suggesting that the breakout of this area might happen is because of the volume over here. As we can see in this area, there is some good volume accumulation which was not seen in the recent past. So the volume has gradually picked up in this area, and there are very high chances that the stock will break out onto the upside. So keeping the stop loss below this support will be an advisable stop loss, and a target of 1:2 can be kept. The next stock for today is Tata Steel. The reason is very clear that overall this stock has been in an uptrend, and over here it was a great bullish trend seen in all the metal sectors, and Tata Steel was also one out of them. After this great bullish trend, this stock got tired and is spending some time over here. After this consolidation, small consolidation, it has given a breakout of this area with this green candle. The volume has also gradually increased, which seems and which shows that some good players are entering into the stock and we just need to follow their footsteps. So a stop loss can be kept below this support, which is an advisable and safe stop loss. Target can be kept as 1:2. Let me show you how. Entry can be taken over here, stop loss below the support, and a target of 1:2 can be kept in this stock. The next stock for today is Thyrocare. This stock I'm personally having in my portfolio. I initially recommended this stock at this candle, which is highlighted as the entry candle. After going up, it came below and I recommended this area as a stop loss. The reason was same because this area was working as a support. So a stop loss below this area would have been a safe stop loss. As you can see, this area worked as a very good stop loss and stock could not come below this area. It created a short-term downtrend but couldn't close below my stop loss. So this was a good stop loss which didn't hit, and after that you can see the volume pick up in the stock and this big candles. But as you can see that this is a parabolic move and the traders who must have taken entry in this patch will be doing profit booking in the coming days. So we can see a bit of profit booking and the stock might come below. But as the stock comes below, you can take a trade when the stock stabilizes somewhat like this and take an entry over here, keeping a stop loss below this area and keeping the target of 1:2. You can also keep this trade as an investment advice or as a swing trade as the case you feel like. The next stock for today is Tube Investment. This belongs to the consumable durable sector. Let me clear the drawing for you. As you can see on the screen that this stock has also always been in a long-term uptrend. After a long-term uptrend, this stock was consolidating in this area. It gave a breakout but formed an all-time high over here by this area. Now the stock has recently broken above its all-time high and created a new high over here. If we see the volume over here in this chart, in this candle we can find some good volume, which was this breakout candle, and on the recent day also, in the previous day also, on the day of this breakout, the volume also picked up, which was more than the previous day and also then more than the average. So breakout can be seen in the stock, which seems to be sustainable. The stop loss will remain the same, that is below this support area over here, because this will be the safest stop loss. If you keep a stop loss below this area, which has been working as a resistance over here, there are chances that the stock might hit your stop loss and started moving up. So this will be the safest stop loss, keeping the stop loss below this area and keeping a target of 1:2 and also calculating your positions accordingly. You can take this trade. The next stock for today is Vedanta or VEDL. I already recommended this stock in my previous videos over here. After that, the stock started moving up and is now consolidating. As the entire metal sector has given a breakout, so I've selected this stock in my swing trading checklist. As you can see over here that this stock has been creating a kind of a U-shaped recovery, and there are chances the stock start moving up from this direction. Entry can be taken after this area because this is the last high created by this stock, and over here also we can see that the kind of triangle pattern formation is being formed. So breakout of this area will be a breakout of this triangle. Stop loss can be kept below this swing low or below this support, will be a safe stop loss, and a target of 1:2 can be kept. The next stock is IGL. This stock is also in my portfolio and is a very good fundamental stock. You can also keep in your fundamental checklist or as a swing trading idea as the case, or as it depends upon you. Let me show it to you on a weekly time frame. As you can see on the weekly time frame, in the past 3 weeks, the volume has gradually picked up, which is more than the 10 weeks moving average. The volume has gradually picked up, means in these 3 candles, some big accumulation is being done, which signifies that we can see a blast over here in this candle, and taking an early entry, keeping a stop loss below this area is advisable because this stock can give a very good candle in the coming days. So this is an investment advice plus a swing trading advice, but only after your analysis. You have to make your own analysis. Whatever seems comfortable for you, you can take an entry accordingly. Let us move to the next stock. I think I've already covered all these stocks for you. These were 30 stocks which I've already covered. I think you are liking these kind of series. One thing I again want to clear to you is that these are just my swing trading ideas which I take for myself. These are not any kind of investment advice. You need to make your own analysis before taking any trade on my advices or on my swing trading setups. One thing I want to tell you more in this talk is, as you can see that here I've already explained that volume has been picking up, but this area over here is working as a resistance, a major resistance for this stock. So there are very chances that the stock breaks out of this area but gets stopped at this area. So this point should be taken into consideration. But what it seems, seeing the pattern of the chart, as the short-term downtrend has also been broken, that this is the minimum target which it can achieve, which is around 570 from here, and the stock is standing at 535 approximately. So 35 points at least we can get from here for a swing trade, or if you want to keep as an investment, the breakout above this level will be suggested as a investment. And if you are willing to keep this stock for more than 1-2 years, then you can easily take an entry over here and forget the stock for 1-2 coming years to come, because this can be a possible multi-bagger which you can get a return of 2-3 times from here. So these are the 30 swing trading ideas which I just shared with you. Yeah, these were the 30 swing trading ideas which I just shared with you. I hope you like this kind of series and you're also making profit. In the starting of the video, I informed you that I'll be asking one question from you. So the question is, there is one thing which I usually see in any stock before selecting it as a swing trade. If you are able to answer this question correctly in the comments, I'll be adding you in my private Telegram channel, wherein we discuss some of the good traders, discuss some of the good trading ideas and also investment picks. So I want to see your comments. I want to see your answers in my comment box. And I hope you will be sharing and liking this video and also sharing with your friends. I'll be coming up with more such videos in the next weekend. Till the time, you're requested to kindly take care of your portfolio and have a happy trading week. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care.